Okay, guys, recording has started. So this session is for upgrading HanaDB from HanaDB 1.0 SP12 to HanaDB 2.0 SP03. Okay. At this point, I have already installed um, HanaDB 1.0. So hold on a second. Let me show you that information first. Uh,
Khalid bhai, it's a one single container or double, multi-container?
it's a multi-container. It's
Okay.
a it's a multi-container. Okay. This is only DB. There's no application here. So there might be, that's why you're not seeing the index server. I don't know. I'm just maybe. So this is HanaDB 1.0. I can show you the HanaDB version here. Okay. And now we need to upgrade HanaDB 1.0 to HanaDB 2.0 SP03. Okay. MP, proceed.
Yeah, good. You want me to control?
No, no. I mean, tell me what to do. I'll do it.
Okay, just go to the directory, that source
Okay.
directory.
Okay. Let me exit out of here. I will go to the software. ls. Okay, we're gonna go to hdb2. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
to
hdb
SP03
oh, to sp03, and then we're
yes,
gonna go to,
data units.
yep, and here we're gonna choose hdb underscore server linux 8664, right?
Correct.
Here we are.
One kid
Okay,
sound issue.
now we will execute this hdb lcm GUI.
GUI.
Okay,
Yes.
it should bring up the GUI. There you go. The GUI is coming up.
Or if you want to run using TUI, then you can run HDB UPD also.
TUI explain.
Yeah, it's a terminal user interface. That
Ah,
HDB UPD is also, in this case GUI will not open.
okay,
But
okay, okay.
there also you can perform upgrade.
Here also, Ahmed bhai, you can only start HDB LCM. That also,
Yes,
yeah,
Yes,
that's
that
UI correct.
yeah,
Character
that
user
also works.
interface.
yeah. Okay, all right. Since we had the option to run the GUI, we're gonna run the GUI. Okay, so this is the first screen.
MP by in real time, we need any prerequisites before doing this task?
Yes,
Prerequisites,
we
yes,
need to
we need
take
to
the
perform.
database backup as well.
Oh, do we need to do that? So
No,
this
in
is a
real
fresh,
time.
yeah, in real time, because this is a fresh
No,
installation.
not now. In real time.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, real time we need to take backup as well as we need to take log backup as well as entire full backup, system backup.
Yes, and another
And
main important is that, sorry MP bhai, okay, another main issue is that actually I have faced one time. We need to check the compatible OS. If
Right.
our OS is not compatible with HANA 2.0 SP03, first we need to upgrade the OS,
Oh,
then we
exactly.
need to perform this.
And that was my case. I was sitting on Red Hat 6.6, and then Amit Bhai provided me the document, and then I realized six you cannot do this with using 6.6. So that's why I upgraded my OS to Red Hat 7.2.
Yes, we
What is
need
the
to
version
check.
of compatible version? OS version
Here,
7.2.
Yes, there is the SAP note. Actually, I have submitted to Khalid bhai.
yeah, I don't have that note here in handy. Otherwise, I would have shown you. But
Yeah, actually
or
there is one note Devi. You can check on SAP portal.
hmm.
Okay.
There is matrix.
Or if you guys want to give me just few seconds, let me pause the recording because I need to. Okay, so
MP bhai, carry on.
there we go.
yeah,
Everything is opened up. It's telling you,
yeah,
giving you all the data here.
yes. Now go click on next. But see,
Okay.
this will be applicable when the replication is not configured. If replication is there, we need to stop the replication and need to perform upgrade. Right, Amit bhai?
Yes.
So currently replication is not there, right?
Yes.
But replication will happen when?
Means
Right.
SP12. We need to upgrade SP12. Huh?
No, no,
Yeah,
no, not like that. Not like,
replication. Yes, carry on, MP, carry on.
in most of the customer production environment,
Low
the
version,
product,
when it is not low version, I think.
see, replication will be available with HANA 1.0 also. It's at what 2.0 also. For HANA, when initially also it is supported for replication. But when we are performing any upgrade, database upgrade, we need to stop the replication and then need to perform on let's say first primary system, and then we need to establish the replication again once the upgrade is complete. Correct, Amit?
Yes, actually, Khalid, by replication is what thing. If we
Hmm.
are going to keep the our server on high availability,
Okay.
we need to copy of one database another on another location in another server. Okay.
Okay.
In the case of HA, okay, we need to install on the two places, and then we need to create a cluster at
Oh,
available.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Then in auto switches, data will be replicated by the log replay. Okay. It
Okay,
will
okay.
automatically
I
synchronize
think so
to
So,
manually,
location.
yeah, this Sharath, I think so in manually standby database has to be updated. Means the replicated server, I think so, right? Again, we have to update the same activity what we have done here. Then I think so it will do.
Yes, yes. The same activity we need to do for
Yes,
standby
we need to do.
server also.
Yes,
Otherwise, I
yes,
think so backup we can take and we can restore it. That's how.
Right,
yes, yes,
right, right,
Yeah.
right.
okay, so what I understood is so high availability system is two physical systems running the same HANA DB and
yes.
they're replicating the data.
In
Exactly.
availability, in disaster recovery,
Okay,
where you have replicated the HANA DB. Okay,
okay.
everywhere we need to do the same patch. Okay,
Hmm.
same version of the database software.
Yeah. Otherwise, the replication will not work if it's two different
Yes,
versions, right? Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Fine.
So
So
click on next.
in our case, we don't have any replication going on right now. Okay. So
yes.
I will just
So
click on
just
next.
I have one query. So in this so database we are upgrading. So is this any compulsory clients or anything has to be upgraded or it's not required,
No,
not mandatory?
yes, we need to make this is mandatory in case of we are working with S4 HANA. So we need to upgrade the client as well as per compatible with the HANA SP level. It is recommended by SAP.
Okay, so database and client has to be upgraded
Yes,
compulsory.
data because SAP is releasing when SAP will release any SP level of the HANA DB. So always it will release the same
Right,
version HANA client as well.
right.
Okay.
Okay.
That's why I think I have sent a separate client
Yes. Yes, you did.
to Khalid Bhai.
Yes.
That's why
Yes.
I have sent.
You have. You have. I can show it to you if you want to see. Let me just show it to you. Uh. Uh. Hold on.
But it will work with old client also, right? Suppose if I have not done the
Yes, it
upgrade.
will all work, but sometimes it will give the performance issue or any dump issue
Okay,
because it will not compatible with the sometimes old library.
correct, correct.
Yeah. So see, with the HDB2, the client is 2.0.
Yes.
With
I
1.0, client was 1.0. So
yes,
I
I
have
have
that.
said.
Yeah.
Yes, you can just search on the SAP portal
Mm,
in the sport pack and packages. You will find easily.
yeah. Okay. So let's proceed. Click on
Yes,
next.
click on next.
Okay.
Yes,
Basically, it will be a downward compatible. That client will be a downward compatible, but it is always recommended to have the
yes,
latest
yes,
client
Client.
specific to database.
Right.
yes,
Okay.
The same is applicable for traditional database like Oracle also. It
Yeah.
is the same.
So
yes,
it automatically picked up here. It automatically knows
yes,
it needs to upgrade. It
Yes.
is giving
yes.
you your previous version.
Because
Upgrade.
it is checking in directory is
Mm,
any system is installed or not.
mhm.
Okay. Yes, or
No need to stop DB, right?
no
No,
need.
no, no. If you will
It,
stop,
it,
then how
it,
will
it,
upgrade? Upgrade won't
Yes,
perform. We can't perform
yes, yes.
upgrade.
system installation automatically it will stop and start whatever required. It
Yeah.
will automatically do.
Here one
But
query,
here,
if we
but
have one or two databases, how it will be? It will be a different scenario or it will be same?
no. See, if you have one or two database, you need to select the system. Here, HDB is the current database, right? Here, you can see the other database name also. So whatever database you want to upload, you can select this one.
Mm.
Left
Yeah.
side,
It will
left side.
show you in the drop down
Just
menu.
Okay,
It
yes,
will
okay.
show
Then
you.
yes,
that will get select.
Yeah.
So only that one will get upgraded. Remaining will
Yes.
stay at 1.0
yes,
only.
yes,
Yes.
Exactly.
yes,
Exactly. And see, before doing database upgrade, it is mandatory to stop the application because
Yes.
it will
yes,
stop and
Yeah.
Okay,
it
go
may
next.
stop.
Okay,
Yeah.
clicking on next. There you go.
Here only it is
Here we are.
asking.
Look, it already picked up the client.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we don't need to.
No. It will automatically pick because we have not installed this package.
Right.
Okay, we have just installed this both. Okay, there 1.sp12.2 version will be HANA 2.0 sp03.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But update is not coming for HANA database client. So it will be a new installation, the client.
Yeah. That I did
Yeah,
not install
client.
the client. Yeah.
Yeah, just
Okay.
you can check out this. Check out this. HANA client is not required here.
Okay. I can just uncheck this then.
Yes, and I am right.
Yes, we can do later on also.
Yes, actually, HANA client is basically connectivity for the when we are going to install as for HANA system or other, then we need to connectivity purpose for HANA client. Okay, for there is no role of HANA client.
I mean, it's not letting me pick. Hold on a second. I don't know what's wrong here. It's not.
Okay. If not, just you can proceed with the next.
I think it's automatically picked up. So
Yes.
No. It's hung, man. Everything is hung over here. Hold on.
Hang. Oh, wait.
Everything is.
for 2.0 HANA client,
No, it hangs. System hang.
No, just check that in how much memory is free now.
Top
Yeah. So it
free.
is. Yeah.
This is with 64. Oh,
Yeah. 64 gigabytes.
then it should come. That free hyphen G.
Not hang.
Free hyphen G. Okay. Yeah. It's only using 4 gigabytes.
Yes,
This
yeah.
is there.
Okay.
Yeah, this is some. Oh, there you go. Finally, it unchecked it. It was delaying. Okay.
Okay.
So now we can click on. God,
Next.
come on, man. Yeah, I clicked on it. It's acting very slow for some reason. Hold on a second.
That's why I prefer most of the time only CLI mode, character user interface.
That is why we had GUI.
Oh man. This
See,
is-
whatever it is doing something in backend, but we never come to know what it is doing.
Yeah.
So in CLI, at least we'll come to know if there
Yes.
are anything is there.
Yes.
Oh, come on, man. Okay, there you go. Now, yeah, okay, finally. Okay, so this is what we're gonna select. That's it. We're only updating the database. Okay, and now click next. Yeah, I think we should stop this and restart it again. Should
Let
we-
it run. It will take time. It will take time. Let it run.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
in Linux, whenever
Yeah.
you
Yes. Yes.
Right.
Okay, there you
hi,
go.
this is Lakshman.
Well,
Uh, yeah, in Linux, whenever you select any package or any unselect and click on next, that time it's check for dependency check. Like
Okay.
if you unselected the client, so
Mhm.
it's removing the dependency of that client. That's why it's take time.
Okay.
Okay.
And when you selecting that time also it's checking the dependency, so it will include those all package. That's why
Okay.
it's take
Okay.
the time to calculate the system, what are the packages need to install, more supporting
But
packages.
Lakshman, the question was that we're using 64 gigabyte of memory, and that should have been faster, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's in background, it's work on CLI.
Okay.
Don't worry, Khalid, in real time company, you can take 10 days for upgradation.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Okay. So we are here. Specify authorization data. It already picked up the system as their database username, and it's
Yes.
asking for. So I will give it the password. Welcome 123. This is the password for 1.0, right?
Yes. Source
Okay.
database.
Source database. Now we will click next. Okay. So there you go.
It is just giving what will happen.
Yes.
This is brief summary. Database will be this. Do not install.
Mm.
Okay. Just click on update.
But
Finally,
my
yes.
question is, I mean, we should have done the client as well, right?
No, we have, I think, unchecked client, na?
No, we should have, right?
No. Why? What is
We
need
don't.
of this?
So we can install the client separately.
Yes, you can install on Windows Server as well. Okay.
Okay.
There is no restriction for the client. Client is just for connectivity.
Yeah. Okay, fine. All right. Okay, now we'll click on upgrade. And there you go. Update 1064 is gonna kick in or not.
Nothing will happen
No, I
because it
mean,
is database.
okay.
So is there any post activities will be there after this?
Post activity we need to check.
Okay, there were generally in Oracle there will be one or two scripts which you have to run, right? Maybe to update the
I don't
packages.
think you need to do that for HANA.
Yes,
Yeah.
Lakshman. I think Lakshman is speaking now.
Yeah.
No. There is no post activities there for HANA.
Yes.
For
Okay.
checking any.
Mhm.
So now let's see how much memory is occupying. So I'll just put this on the side and let's see, do the top. And oh, it's 51 still free.
Yes, Khalid bhai.
Hmm.
What do you have in database? Zero.
Zero.
Where can we check the logs?
Which logs?
Installation logs, updating.
That would be in your HDB SID, right? Under the directory, HDB directory, right?
In temporary folder, I think there will be some directory created.
Oh, okay. Wait. So in the temporary folder, you're saying, right? So we'll
Yes.
go back, and there's the temp, and in the temp, there's so much stuff. So where is? I see this, but this is not
Open
the
in
one.
OS.
And
This is actually in the OS. I'm using
Okay.
MOBA Exterm, right? MOBA Exterms let you browse through the OS
Yes.
directory. Yeah. So
Yes.
where I don't see anything for.
No, wait. Where is the path actually? Just let me show you. Wait.
I think it's a USR temp, right?
Yes,
Is it
something
user
great.
temp? Maybe you are right. Yes, under user there is another temp. Hold on. User,
USR SAP temp. Oh,
user,
sorry, SAP is not.
SAP temp or no?
It will be in where temp, where and then temp.
There you go. Okay, so var and temp, right?
Yes.
This is
Yes.
installation update. There you
yeah,
go.
maybe in OS level we'll have more clarity. You can just
Okay. Well, you want to do it from OS level, so let's
yeah.
do it.
Khalid bhai,
Yes,
that's
sir.
why everybody is asked to using the OS because
Okay.
most of the playing
Nick,
with the command only.
I know, no, but I'm just telling you. Look how simple is it
Yes,
from
yes,
it is from
yes.
mobile
Yeah,
term
right.
now, right?
Easy opening will be easy and
Yeah.
This
That's what I was
is
saying.
very pretty tool.
Yeah. So
Earlier
this
I
is
was playing with the putty. After that,
where temp or it's user temp. Okay.
yeah. So it's var temp. Yeah. So PWD it tells you user temp. The path is user temp. I'm there, and
yes,
this is the one we're doing. So if we go in there, HTTP
Yeah, I think so. One update file, something it is showing.
install, not install. I will say
Update.
update. It's not picking up. Hold on. LCM. Oh, up underscore up. Hmm. Am I doing the right thing? Hold on. Let's just
No,
copy that.
You do one thing. You give ls-altr, so it will short the files
Okay,
Correct.
with the
ls
time.
hyphen altr. There you go.
And you just check the last
This
LCM.
trace
one.
file, last trace file, last one.
This one.
You just do last one. That you give tail hyphen f.
Tail hyphen f.
Then give the last file name. Just copy and
Okay.
paste.
Okay. Oh shoot. Okay. Sorry.
Just
यार ये मैंने
I think it will automatically copy. Just
yeah, it
There
is
you go.
select and click anywhere. It will
Yeah.
automatically.
Okay. So there you go. Now it's There you go. It's tailing that file, trace file.
Wait. Here it will update. See, it is doing. It is importing delivery unit.
Okay. Importing delivery unit ID, HANA ID core. Okay, and here it's still showing. Yeah, see over here you can also see importing delivery unit
Yes,
HANA
yes.
ID core, and the same result is being shown on the OS level. So basically you go look for the trace file in user temp folder.
Amit bhai, how many workers in single system?
Where?
With how many workers with single database?
Workers.
There are some workers, no?
I think there
Work,
the services
work
is
process.
working.
Work process.
Services, server.
Worker. Okay.
Okay,
It
so
says
you meant
worker
to
right
say
here.
that
It is service.
demon is known as a worker as here.
Yes.
But then
Okay.
also HDB compile server, HDB compile server, HDB daemon. Okay. Huh. So these three workers you're talking about right here, right?
Yes.
These three. All server processes started on host HDB worker. Okay.
I think delivery unit will take some times only.
Mm. But my question is, why we need to monitor this on OS level when we are seeing everything here? Do we need to?
If you are a real engineer, then you need to check only Linux OS level only.
Oh, okay.
Because everywhere, one means Linux administrator need to use the command line experience only.
Okay.
Okay. It is
That
just
is
a practice only. Okay, because most of the Linux is working with the GUI, not
right.
CI, character user interface. Okay.
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
sometimes GUI may be hang and due to network sometimes disconnected. Okay.
Oh, yes. Okay. So
Okay,
that's why
but
you.
OS will show exactly log.
Okay. Hey, basically refrain from using GUI. Try everything on the OS level.
Yes. Because in many companies, customer won't allow GUI and they make it disable as a hardening.
Wow. In that case, you cannot even run the command for the installation as a GUI. You have to run it
Yes.
as a command, right?
CLI, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So it's called CLI. Importing delivery of UI5. Okay. Same thing. UI5. Awesome. So I think it's almost there, man. I think the first line is the one which takes most time. Rest is gonna go fast, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Khalid bhai, the second line is the question put by the Devi.
Yes, the updating resident.
Yes.
Uh, so yes, how do we search that?
Just to do Google, we need to.
Khalid bhai, till the time you stop recording, so that file size will be less till it.
Okay.
Assume the recording, start recording.
Yeah, I started the recording. Okay.
Okay, it is journal error. Just do one thing, start upgradation again.
Again, finish this one.
Yes, actually this is not clearly mentioned. I have read this and retry the deployment option. It will give the retry option, start a resume option when we will start the new upgradation. Okay.
Okay. So just
Okay,
finish
just
this one right now.
yes, finish this and start again the upgradation.
Okay.
It
Wait.
will show the option from the retry.
Okay. It's, hold on a second. I'm waiting for this to finish.
No, wait, don't wait this. Just start.
Just start. Okay.
Yes.
Same thing again. So I'm gonna start it. You were saying something, MP?
No. See, this is I think tail -f ka output. You can do Control C and go ahead.
Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, you're right. Okay. And now we're gonna restart the GUI.
It will show the last like the SWPM option. Just click on next.
Okay.
So run with existing like this. Just update this.
There you go. It shows you the bar right here. Okay.
Okay.
Update
Go
existing.
next.
Not this. Just read this pending action.
Pending actions. Okay, hold on. Let me open it more. There you go.
Bar is not this. Okay.
Okay.
This is the pending action.
Okay, sorry. SAP HANA database update to version this 2.0 is pending since this the date and a step is at step importing content. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. We'll click on
Click
next.
on next.
Resume. This time it's gonna say resume.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Just remove this second one. Yes.
Again, now it's gonna take some time. I clicked on
Yes.
it.
Yes. Wait.
So this is where it's checking the dependencies in the packages on the OS level.
Yes.
When you unclick it. There you go. And now we will click on next. There you go. It's gonna system DB password. Welcome 123. Click on next. Again, it's showing you the summary. So just click on update.
Yes.
Oh, okay. This should go fast now, right?
Yes.
This is not starting from the beginning, right?
It will go fast.
Oh, there you go. Okay. There you go. It
Okay.
jumped.
This time it will show successfully.
Yes.
Okay. That is the common issue I have faced lot of the time.
So that's a known issue and it's in a SAP
This is
note.
non-issue. Yes, SAP already have given note. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. Just finish this.
Okay.
Just open. Just do one thing. Switch user as you with the SID ADM.
Okay. So let me get out of here. Switch HDB ADM. Okay. We're there.
Just SAP control.
Oh, hold on.
SAP control. Just type SAP control. Don't copy and paste.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
SAP control.
If you will type, so practice will be okay.
Okay, fine. SAP control.
Space.
Control.
Space.
Yes. Minus NR space 00.
Yes.
Minus function.
Minus function.
Get process list.
Yes. Get process. You have to memorize ho jayega. Okay. Get process list. All right.
Just enter there. Here, what you will see.
Everything is get process. Hold on. Green.
Everything green.
Yeah. Everything is green. So let's do a HDB version.
Yes.
HDB version. And it has upgraded to 2.0.
Yes.
Before it was showing 1.0, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if that was the case, now this is when I logged on
Just
to it.
refresh refresh this. This is showing still 1.0. Just refresh this.
Okay.
Click on here. Okay.
Refresh.
Left.
Yeah, you can just right click and refresh too.
Yeah, but why it is showing still?
Huh.
Is it same system or whatever?
Yeah, this is the same system.
Just
Yeah, why is it showing version?
Refresh again. Here, last one.
This one. Nope.
no, actually refresh from there. Just from interval 60.
Maybe we need to log off and log back in.
No, not required. You just click on the go to right side,
Right
and
side,
there
yes,
will be
yes.
interval 60 seconds. You just
Yes, refresh this.
Okay.
here it will refresh.
Nope.
Just wait. Why it is not showing?
Oh, connection to the database server lost. Check server
Yes.
network status.
Refresh again.
Okay. Nope, it's still lost.
Still lost.
Still lost.
Just try to just do one thing. Add a new system.
Okay. Or I can log off from here and log back in and see if that helps.
Yes. Try
Yes, it will work. It will work.
Log on. And now it's automatically log in. And operation. Double click on it and it will Now it shows. Okay, see.
Okay.
So
So
we need to restart.
yeah, basically
No,
we need to log off and log back
Log
in.
off and log.
Yeah, that's it.
sir, it is sometimes most of the time it should work only refresh. Then no need to log in and log out again.
Yeah,
But why I don't know why it isn't happening here. It is just go to landscape.
landscape.
All services are running.
Okay, good. So this is pretty much how you do this. Okay.
Yes.
So Amit, see, currently there won't be any tenant database, so the index service will not
Not
be
sure.
available. But
Exactly.
That's why I'm watching this. Do one thing. Try to add a new system. Actually, we need to do some R&D.
Yeah.
yes, yes,
And add that BH1 or BH2, I think.
Yes, yeah, add just Khalid,
Yes.
add new system on GUI. Just click on add new system. Not here.
Oh,
Yeah, like this. You have added this now earlier.
yeah.
You just add new system in HANA Studio as well.
Oh, HANA Studio, add a new system. Okay, fine.
Yes,
In
yes,
HANA Studio.
Okay.
yes.
So we will
Just
do, you want to connect to the BH1 system, the original system?
yes,
Okay.
Anyone.
0, multiple container system. And then we'll just call it BH1 system DB. Okay. And then we'll go next. It's asking for the,
Khalid, you have not given the host name correctly back.
oh, really? Where? Oh,
This one.
yes, you're right. You're right. It should be, I'm going to use the IP address. You're right. Sorry. Either it's your host name or the IP address. Either in this case, the host name is BW SAP HANA, but since I don't have a fully qualified domain DNS, I'm gonna just give it an IP address. Okay,
yes.
go next, and my user is system. Welcome 123 store next, and then finish. And there you go. It got connected to VH1
Just
system. Double click on that
Go to the landscape.
and go to the landscape for that. Okay.
yes.
Hmm. There's no index server here either.
Yes. Wait. Just why index server is not there? I think ideally it should be there.
ideally it should be there because it is mandatory
Wait,
service.
why? Let's log into VH1 and put it from the OS level. See what happens. So switch user to HDB ADM. Okay, HDB info. Oh, yeah, it's there. See this?
Yes.
Then how come it's not showing in HANA Studio then? Should I refresh?
Refresh.
Oh. Nope, it does not want to appear.
Just do one thing.
Mhm.
Okay, Khalid, do one thing.
Yes,
Just click on the SQL.
SQL query.
Yes. Here
So
above. Yeah, this third icon.
here, open SQL console. Okay.
Yes. Just type one thing.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Create database.
Create database.
Any SID. Give any SID. Name test TST.
TST. Okay.
The space. System. Capital system.
Oh, wait. We are doing this on BH1. We should be doing this on the other system, right?
Yeah.
We should not do
Actually,
this on BH1.
Tenant.
This
We should
this
do
we
it
are
here.
doing for Khalid. We are doing for testing purposes. Then after we'll drop this. You can do
yes.
anywhere.
So let's do it here instead of touching BH1. Okay. So we'll
Okay.
it's better to mess this one up. Okay. Okay. So again, it was create
Database.
database TST. Oh, sorry, TST. Okay. Space.
Space. System user. Capital.
System
User.
user.
Capital.
It's one word or separate words.
Yeah, just do write everything in capital.
Okay.
Create database as well.
From
I
the
think
start. Okay.
Yes, all will also work, I think. Create database,
Perfect.
TST, system user,
Okay.
password, space password,
Password.
giving the any password space. After password, give any
Uh,
password.
I will have to give it into the small. Cannot be capital, right?
Yes, yes, you can give any small.
Yeah. W is capital and rest is small.
Yes,
Welcome.
yes.
1, 2, 3. Okay. And
Just
now,
execute this.
okay. Here. Executing. It is doing the query. You can see it's running. And hmm. But question still is that why is it not showing in BH1? It has a tenant DB over there.
Yes.
No, but see, Khalid, if it is a tenant DB, then see in first window that BH1, it should not show system. Why it is showing as a system?
Oh, yeah, yeah, because we're connecting to
Oh,
we're connected to system DB. We're not connected to tenant DB.
Yes.
yeah,
Oh, so here, so let me add another BH1 for tenant
but
DB.
MPY
बोलिए
at
बोलिए आप.
OS level it is not also showing, I think.
Yes, yes. OS level also show, but
No, I think OS where is showing, not showing, na?
not showing, not showing.
No,
Yes.
OS level on BH1 it is showing.
Yeah, it is there. It is there
On
in OS level
BH1
for
It
it is.
is
BH1.
there.
Yes. On
Yeah,
BH1,
it
yes.
is. BH1 it is there, but for BH2 it is not showing.
Yeah.
Which system we have upgraded, BH1 or BH2?
BH2.
BH2.
Oh man, what happened? Tenant
No,
BH1.
you are doing some R&D on BH1 or BH2?
BH we need to do in BH2.
Yes, actually in BHN it is available now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No.
We need,
Okay, hold on a second. Listen. This is BH1, where the BW
yes.
installation is done. This is where we were doing R&D. So in original system, when I clicked on this one, which is running, and you go to landscape over here in HANA,
Here you will show in tenant DB. Okay, there will be no issue.
in tenant DB. Yeah, that's what I was trying to
Yes,
connect to tenant
yes,
DB on.
there will be no issue. Definitely
Okay,
will see the
the
tenant,
index
but
server.
we are going to check why it is not showing in our newly created system.
Yeah, okay. So where's the console? Yeah, seems like it's done. Okay,
Just add this system, add this system,
add.
TST system
Okay,
in the
okay,
studio, HANA Studio.
okay. And the IPs for that is 232. Oops. Instance is 00. And we're gonna use system or tenant. Tenant.
Tenant TST.
Tenant.
TST. Oh, I know why was the tenant was HDB, not BH1. Okay, sorry. Tenant DB on uh okay, fine. And then we'll call it system, and then we'll say the password store next finish. There you go. It got connected. Now double click
Just
on this
yes.
in progress. And now we go to landscape. There's your index server. Okay. So now if I go back to the OS level and do the HDB info one more time, it should hold on. Oh no, this is not the system. Sorry. We should
No,
do
no,
this.
but Khalid, just let us check on BH1 also. Here it is showing that index server is there. So while adding system, na, I think that there will be some gap.
But look, it showed up, right? Now it
Yeah,
showed up.
this is for upgraded system.
Yes.
Try in BH1.
Okay.
Add in
Yes,
tenant
yes,
database.
Okay.
yes.
That reason, you know why I'm not doing that? Because BH1 is a 32 GB memory, man. It's,
No, no,
I'm just
just
scared
we are
it's
just
gonna crash. Okay.
no, no. We just want
R&D.
to
Yes.
yes, just want to check only,
Okay, fine. All right.
not do anything.
Let
We
me
just
close all this one by one. Oh, come on. So we don't get confused which one is which. No, no. Okay. Let's go to BH1. Here, this is the tenant. Oh, this is the
yes.
system DB. Okay. Now we're gonna go open up the console, and it was create database. TS. Sorry,
System. TST.
TST.
Anything.
Yeah.
Anything you give.
Okay. TST, and then
No,
system.
no, no, but Khalid, 1 second. See, here in BH1 system, we already have one tenant database, right?
Yes.
Actually, Khalid, I don't
HDB.
know. Wait, I don't know what you are doing. Actually, why we are creating tenant database here?
Yeah.
What is the requirement? Exactly what we need to search here. Index server in BH1 is available.
Yes. So I just need
Exactly,
to.
exactly,
So it is available. So I just need to add system
Yes,
to
exactly.
the BH1.
Yes,
Yeah. So that's what I
yes,
was doing before. So here. So let's go. This is my IP. This is the instance number, and my tenant name I was putting wrong. It's actually
yes.
HT.
HDB, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now I will say tenant. Oh shoot. Tenant DB on BH1. Next, and I will go system, and then welcome 123. Store it. Next, finish. It got connected right there. Okay. This is the one, right? No, no, sorry. This is the one. This is the one.
Yes.
That was-
Now it should appear here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we will click on landscape, and there is you. There you go. Index server is right there.
Okay, but question is that
Hmm.
when we have installed in the system HANA 1.0, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so there will be definitely one database, right?
Mm-hmm.
So why index server was not there?
Because
This
there was
data,
in 1.0 there was no tenant, right?
yes, here there was no tenant, okay,
Yeah.
but there was one database, now it
Yeah, but
will be
that was.
automatically converted to tenant.
I don't think. I think index server only shows up when tenant DB is there. Otherwise, it doesn't.
No,
Yes.
actually, yes, tenant DB index server is there, but and why? Actually, question is that suppose you are running a live system in HANA 1.0, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, this is the database SID is the malo DB. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we
Hmm.
will convert into HANA 2.0. Okay, so DB should be automatically created as a tenant database in 2.0, and index server must be there, right?
Right.
So why? That's why I'm asking why it is not. Have you created any database in HANA 1.0, Khalid?
No,
When you have
I
installed,
only did the installation. That's it.
yes, but you have did the installation in the single tenant or multi tenant. Okay,
Yeah.
at the there should be created one database, na?
Yes.
Or this database should be converted as a container in HANA 2.0, and index server should be available.
Hmm.
Why it is not here? That's why I'm asking.
Because my thinking is when you do installation of HANA DB, the first thing is just a system DB. And I don't think, again, I'm going to go back to the same thing. It's not going to show index server unless, because yes, you are right. I did do a multiple container, but we never added a tenant DB to it. See?
No, you have did multi-container, but which SID you have given?
HDB.
SID BH1 or HDB?
HDB.
HDB, you have given HDB.
Yeah.
Okay, so HDB database should be created.
Yes. Database is created.
Yes, but or when we are going to my upgrade in HANA 2.0,
Mhm.
so HDB must be as a system DB or as a tenant DB as well.
As a system DB.
Yeah, and as well tenant DB. That
If
is
there
my
was a
question.
tenant DB, if there was a tenant DB, I don't think. I think
No.
no, no. I think you have to add the tenant later on.
No, no.
Hmm.
In real scenario, nobody will have the tenant DB. Okay, one
Right.
suppose my development system is running in
Mhm.
company. Okay, so why I am going to create tenant DB in HANA 1.0 if it is not required? Okay,
Right.
so just what I will do, I will just upgrade the server to HANA 2.0. So what will happen if index server is not there for my DB?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Okay, just we need to check something.
Let's
Just
do this. We can do this. Let's remove the tenant DB which we created in
need check OS level. Just check OS level. How many index server is running?
okay, HTTP.
Read the SAP control.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you can check HDB.
Okay.
Okay, fine. HTTP info. Only one.
Index server is there. Okay. Wait.
Should I pause the video or just let it be?
Yeah, pause the video first.
Okay. Okay.
So here we have one tenant database. So there will be a one index server. So
Yes.
if we'll add another tenant database, again it will one index server will be created.
Okay, fine.
Okay, each tenant database have own index server.
Exactly.
Okay,
Each
that is
tenant
the
database has its own index server. Okay.
yes. Our index server is capable for store all the business related data and everything here.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so there we go. We're gonna go create. Oh, sorry. Create a database.
Create database.
What do you want to call it? A TXT.
Fine. TXT system user password.
System user password is welcome 123. That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it. Execute.
Okay, executing.
Khalid,
She said.
do one thing. I have sent a query.
Okay.
Just copy this query and open in a not actually I have not sent it.
Oh, here in the chat.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Hmm. Okay, select from this one, right? Select from system M database.
Yes. We just execute this query and
On it's executing right now. So should we wait for this?
just open another session. Just open another session.
Okay, fine. Okay, another. Wait. And here, paste it. This is the query you're talking about.
Yes.
Okay, and then execute. Fine. There you go. Okay, it's starting. This is your system DB. This is your tenant, and this is your other tenant. Right? Clear?
MPY.
Yes. Clear. Yes.
Just stop the recording. Stop the recording
Okay,
once.
I am record.